Hey guys, this is Sakshi and I welcome you all to my tech platform, Way to Learn. So today I'm just going to let you know how to fill the form of GATE 2021 exam like in detail. Okay, so I'll be sharing all the images of the application form so that it will be helpful if you have any kind of doubts in between. Okay, so actually the last date for the application was around September 30, but it has been extended for October 7. So if you apply before October 7, your fees will be the same. Okay, that is 750 for female and I think 1000 for male. Okay, so let's see the process of application. So here, this once you enter the IIT Bombay Gate 2021, when you just type that in the Google, you're going to get Gate 2021 candidate login. Okay, when you go into that site, this is what you will get at the first thing. Okay, the first thing which you're going to get is this page. Okay, so you can see here the online registration is extended up to Wednesday 7th October with regular fees. Okay, the same fees, right? So now we haven't registered, right? So the first thing what we have to do is you'll have to go to this tab, register here, click that. So once you click that, you're going to get this register first name, middle name and surname. So just keep in the mind what name you have, in the hall ticket we are going to get a name, right? So that particular name should be the same as you are giving over here. So you'll have to type it correctly with no spelling mistakes. So this would be the first thing for your registration, and after this you'll have to give your email address. So this email address should be valid, like that is you should be looking into your email address so that you can verify your email address. Okay, so you will have some process again later while applying for after registration, when we apply the application form for 2021, then they will give you an OTP to your email address. That OTP has to be given entered back in the application form in order to verify your email address. So in case if we do not verify that, sometimes it happens that our application form will not be submitted, will not be accepted. So it is better to use like a valid email address that you are in touch with in your life daily. Okay, so you'll have to confirm that, and then country is already whatever country you belong, you're going to write that, and then mobile number also the one which you're using right now. Okay, because you're going to get an OTP and other information from gate website. So you'll have to give your valid mobile number, and then after that you can give a password of your own. It should be around 8 to 15 characteristics, I think. So that would be your password. That that's it for your registration. Okay, this is what is required when you register yourself for gate 2021 exam. Next is, after registration you will be sent an SMS and email containing your enrollment ID and also the OTP. Okay, so just read your SMS and email address properly. You'll have an OTP over there too. So you can either put your email address or the enrollment ID given in the message or in the email. Okay, so it should be this password that you have already used in the registration form. So you can use the same password over here. Now you'll have to log in. Okay, so after you log in, this is what is the first page after you log in. So you're logged in as it will be your name, and you'll have to give this. You'll have to tick this bar over here. I hereby declare that I have read 2021 information brochure. So if you haven't read the information brochure, you can just go into my information on Gate 2021 video, where I have given all the highlights like information over there. So you can just see that, and then come and log out here, go see that, and then come back and log in here and start filling your application. So now, after all these, we have to start filling our application. So here, these are the 5 steps that you have to do in order to fill the application. So first one is to give the exam details, then your personal details, address, then degree details, and then documents that they have asked. Okay. Okay. So now it is already like clicked over here. Select the number of papers you want to appear in GATE 2021. You can either give a single paper in a GATE exam, or you can give two papers in a GATE exam. Next is the paper which you're going to give. If it is one, then you're going to give like whatever subject you want. You can just select that. And if it's two, then again you'll have to select the two papers. Next, choice of examination country, it would be India or the country which you're in. Next, choice of examination city one. So just select your city first and the nearby city next. That is very easy for you to travel. Then, if you have no choice, then you can select some other city for your convenience. Okay, so it is better to select your city first and your nearby city where you can travel easily. Okay, so you have to select four cities. This is because if the city which you have already selected is like completely filled, then you'll have to go to the examination city 2 and so on. Okay, so next is the personal details. So do not forget to save your like see here, you can see a save button over here. For exam details, you have a save button. So you'll have to click the save button. So do not forget to save your uh, details that you have already entered. So after saving, you'll have like the data you have entered has been saved successfully. Then is your personal details. The enrollment ID and the name, email address, mobile address will all mobile number will be given already in your personal details. You'll have to select the date of birth, gender, category, and other important things. Okay. Now if you see, you have in front of the email address you have verify email address, and the mobile number you have verify mobile number. So you should be pressing this verify mobile number. So after verifying that mobile number, when you click on the verify mobile number, you'll be asked to enter the OTP which is provided to you. So you can check your message that was sent by GATE 2021 website. So you can uh, uh, note down that particular OTP here, and then it will show a green sign with a tick showing that mobile number is verified. And similarly, sometimes it takes a very long time for you to receive an email from GATE website, but you'll get a message as soon as you register. So first verify your mobile number, and if you get the email address, like if you get the mail in your email, then it's better to verify at the same time. But if you do not get any email, then just wait for your email. Okay, like it can be in 2 hours or 3 hours. You'll receive an email in 2 or 3 hours. It doesn't happen, but if it happens, then do not panic. You will receive an email address. Then after that, you can continue your login. Like once you have verified your mobile number, you can just continue this and then save it. Okay, and when you get your email address, then you can again log in and then verify your email address too. Fine. So next you'll have to give your permanent residence, that is the country, state, and valid ID proof. So here, just give a valid photo ID that you have with you. Okay, and which is like same as your name. Fine. So you'll have to put the ID number also, and you'll have to upload the valid photo ID also. So just give whatever ID you have in your hands, and which has the same name as in the given like candidate name. Okay. So next you'll have to give the name of the parent or guardian, and then number also. Then do not forget to save again. Okay, so next is the correspondence address. Then you just have to give your address over here, then save it. And next is qualifying degree details. So you'll have to give your college pin code. If you're MSc first year or something, then you can give the present college. And if you have completed your MPhil or PhD, or like, okay, if you have completed your MSc or MPhil, then you can give your pin code of your MSc college, and you can enter the details of that college, because here the maximum uh, okay, here the maximum qualifying degree will be MSc, right? And then you can, if you have completed MPhil and you have to write that, then you can choose others in the qualifying degree section, and then write it's MPhil physics or something. Okay, so here is, you have to select the country of the college, state, college city, and then institute registration number or your roll number. That is, if you have completed your MSc, you will be having your registration number. And if you have completed your if you are in MSc first year, then again you'll have a registration number. Just give that. That is enough. Next is the qualifying degree. Qualifying degree will be your MSc or MSc equivalent. You can choose that, and then the discipline will be physics. Okay. Next, after that, you graduated in the above degree or not? You'll have to give that. If yes, then it's okay, and if it's no, then again you can just select whatever it is. Okay, when you give yes, you'll have to fill in the year of qualifying degree. That is, if you have been completed, then you can write like 2016, 2017, or 2018, and so on. And if you are doing your degree now, then you can select the year in which you are going to qualify it. If you are going to qualify it in 2021, then you can write 2021. Click on 2021. Okay. So next, which university, under which university, or you can write your institute name. Similarly, again, you'll have to write the college name again as well. So do not forget to save. Then next. Now you'll have to upload your documents. So please go to any website where you can change your compress or change like all your photo proof, the signature, everything. So it should be in this range, and if it is not in this range, then you'll have to again do all those everything. So you can first go to your information browser, the first video of mine about gate 2021. Just make your image photograph and the signature of this size as given here, and then you can choose the file, because when you start doing your like all these corrections in your photograph and signature while uploading, you can get tense. So it is better to do that first, and then come back to upload your photograph and signature. So you can here just upload the color photograph and then signature, and yes, the valid photo ID, upload photo ID in the form of PDF. Photograph will be in the form of JPEG or JPG. Similarly, signature will also be in the form of image, but your photo ID should be in the form of PDF. Okay, so it should be your, it can be your Aadhaar card, your driving license, or your whatever it is, college ID, anything. So you can upload that. Then you'll have to select the source of information, anything, internet search, or through your friends, anything like that. And then you have to save this. There is no save tab. You'll see at the bottom, you'll have a save tab there. Save this, and after that, you can see entirely your application form. Then save that, and then give submit. Okay, once you get give submit, you can't edit your application form. So check that once, review it once, and then give the submit button. So after submitting it and after paying, that is soon after your submitting the application form, you'll have a tab which says that submit and pay. So you'll have to click that, and then after submitting and after doing everything, you can uh, come back and see your status of your application. Okay, so if your payment has been successful, then you can do this as well. Okay, then later here, if you see, I haven't completed this email verification here. So you can once you get your email, then you can verify it, or you can wait before payment. Okay, you can verify it once you get the email, like you'll get in 2 or 3 hours. So after you get the email, you can log in again, verify the email, and then put the OTP and all, and then you can go and do the payment. And later, after doing everything, after paying all that is over, then you can download your application form. Okay, so if there are any like problem in the uploading the documents, like if it doesn't matches, then you will receive an SMS or a mail regarding that, and you can change that. You have a time to change that. So this was about the gate application. How do you fill, how to fill, and if you had any kind of doubts, I think it would have been clarified. But if you still have any kind of doubts, then you can uh, comment and I'll let you know. So please do not forget to apply it before October 7th. So, okay, so see you tomorrow with more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell. So, tada, see you tomorrow.